Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
You don't know bad man. Yeah. This body baby oh. This body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. That thing where I go if you relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Batman here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low.
Okay, so we're gonna have to tuck some of her behind the ear, okay, because she is giving what needs to be gay when it comes to beautiful, bold, and just brilliant. I love it. So as you guys can see, she is very big. I don't think she looks as big on the model, and I don't know if that's because I ran my fingers through a little bit so that I can be able to tell you guys whether or not this unit sheds or tangles. Okay, so let's jump right into how I feel about the unit, the details, and the specs. So as you guys seen, the cap construction, it does come with your standard cap construction. As far as the size on this wig, I would say that it's average head friendly, but it does fit a little bit snug if you do have a larger size head. I do have a larger size head, so it does fit a little bit snug, but it's nothing that I can't deal with. I would say I could wear this wig for probably like 6 hours, but then after that, like, I probably will get a headache if it's like too snug. Another option you could do is like pull it behind the hairline to kind of loosen it up a little bit. But for me, I just wanted to wear the entire wig today so that I could show you guys how the hairline performs and everything like that. So yeah, so it is on the average to small head size. However, if you have a larger size head like myself, you can make it work. As you guys can see, I am making it work. As far as shedding and tangling, I did not experience any tangling, which was really surprising because do you guys see this texture? Okay, this beautiful bold texture. I thought for sure that it was going to have some type of tangling, but it did not. I did experience some shedding though, and I do expect to experience some type of tangling down the line, but as of now I did only experience shedding and not tangling. One thing I also want to mention about this hair is that it is super soft. While it does have that very rough exterior type of look, it is very soft, surprisingly, especially for this texture. So I was really blown away by that. I was like, wow, this hair is really soft for it to be this texture, which kudos to Outre for that, because we do not want the hair that feels like Easter grass that goes at the bottom of the basket, okay? So as far as the parting space, I am not the hugest fan of the parting space. I did just go ahead and add a little bit of foundation underneath the lace. Yeah, I'm not the hugest fan of the parting space. However, it does still pull to be natural because of the texture, so I'm not too mad at that. Now the hairline is a different story. The hairline is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does melt right in, and I don't have it glued down or anything, which is really good. So this means that this is a glueless wig, which I am totally here for. I love glueless wigs because I don't sleep in my wigs, so this is like ideal and perfect for me. Okay, so yeah, I really do like it. But overall, the style is just very gorgeous. It's very bold, very fabulous, and I am here for it. If you love big, bold, voluminous, sexy hair, I would definitely say that you need to have this one in your collection. If you can get past the parting space, honestly, in person it does not look bad at all. I don't think it looks bad on camera either, but you know, it was a little bit like on the smaller side. You can go in and pluck it if you want to. I wouldn't. It does look pretty natural, and I just left the baby hairs kind of be so that they can be kind of like wild, because I felt like because the hair is so wild and like sexy, I felt like the little baby hairs that they had needed to be the same way. They need to be free. They don't need to be constricted or anything. But yeah, like I said, overall I think this is a fabulous unit. So Outre has another fabulous unit. I know this one is not that new, but I'm just now getting around to trying her. When I seen her though, I knew that even if I didn't try her at that very moment, that I would circle back around, and I'm very glad that I did go ahead and try her, because she is gorgeous, fabulous, big, beautiful. I'm loving it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.